And I know the big horse work harness has a few different things to it than the pony and mini one, but this is the pony I have, so that's who we're going to put this on today. So let's get to it. As you can see, the entire harness is connected to the hames. So you put the hames on the collar, then you unroll the harness down the back of the pony. And yes, the collar is a little big for Zorro in this video. I didn't have a 13-inch all-purpose collar, so I used the 14, and he has lost a lot of weight. Here's the girth. Cart hookup. Okay. And here's Zorro all harnessed up, bridle and all. An open bridle is available, but it would be a special order.